Hello and welcome back to our channel again. This is Ethan from Corsa Trading, and today we're gonna look at a speaker from Bang Olufsen, a Bluetooth speaker. It's a Beoplay A2. I just got it for a good price. It's an old speaker from Bluetooth speaker from Bang Olufsen. It's portable and it's coming in this beautiful box. It's used. It's not brand new, and it's weigh around 1 kilo, and it has Bluetooth connections 4.0, and it's great design, and the sound is very great. I just tested them. It plays very nice. So let's unpackage. Let's take a look what is inside the box. It looks like a small laptop box, but I was really surprised of the size of it. It's actually a first time it's on my hands, but it's got a little damage here. So yeah, but anyway, we're gonna open up and see what's inside the Beoplay A2. Also, I just done some research of this model. There's actually two models, one A2 and A2 Active. The A2 Active has a USB-C output, and this one has a DC output and input and a USB. So there's a woofer and a radiator and also a tweeter inside this speaker, and it can play around 24 hours in one charge. That Bang Olufsen claim about they can play. They can play 24 hours of battery life. So I also gonna show you how to change the battery of the Beoplay A2. So stay tuned and let's try to dig into the speaker. So first of all, as I mentioned, was this speaker so cheap? In the corner there was a little bit, the bump is cracked, or I think the previous owner dropped it, so they got damage here. But let's try to open it and see what's inside a Beoplay A2. So we're gonna clean the table. Let's clean the table, and also I think also inside the boxes there's nothing. Just trash. Let's see another one. Yeah, there's some wall block adapters, so we don't need to use that. So first impression, there's no screws, but I've done some research how to open it. So first of all, safety first. Let's try to open it. I think we need to open it like that. Let's see. Maybe it's the wrong way around. Yeah. I think we need to open it like that. The first time actually to get one of this A2 Beoplay A2. So I'm gonna see. I think I'm gonna use this tool, but it's coming a little bit crack here, but there we go, and gonna continue. There we go. Also this I will demonstrate how to also change the battery of the Beoplay A2. It's a very common problem, so here we go. Here is the tweeter and the woofer and the radiator. So I think the battery the compartment is in the other side, but here is the cover. Gonna put that aside. So we're gonna try to see if we also can open. We're gonna start here. Go. It's actually pretty easy to open it up. can do this by credit card or a sharp knife. You can use, what do you have in you? Oh. So we have two woofers, one here and one here, and one tweeter here and there, and the passive radiator. This is a Beoplay A2. It's made in China, but designed in Denmark. So it can produce around it's idling in 16 watts, but it can when it's playing with 44 watts. So yes, but anyway, it's a very good design. It's got some touch button functionality here. There's buttons. Inside here there's a battery. So we're gonna take this out. And we're gonna use and this is T7 Torque T7. So we're gonna remove the battery first. So here it is, and we're gonna use this one. Here we go. And here's the battery. And you can still order this type of battery. I think they're using the same battery in Build 12, and I think it's 17 also. So we're gonna disconnect the battery. First we're gonna remove all things, it's glue or something like that, but here we go. Here's the Leon battery pack. It's 2200 millihours battery, and I think you can still order this, but it's not the original from Bang Olufsen. So yes, gonna put that aside with the battery cover. So let's try to remove all the screws from here. Here we go. And for those screws that are here on the chassis, you need to use the T10 screwdriver bit, what you call. So I'm very excited to see what's inside the Beoplay A2. And also I was very impressed about the sound quality, and also it's actually very good price. I think you could find this type of speakers under 200 euros. So it's also a very great product made by Bang Olufsen. I love the design. It's slim. So it's also impressive how they managed to put a 2 tweeter and 2 woofer inside this cabinet, and also a radiator. So I'm gonna do this a little bit fast, so I don't take your time, but I also appreciate you to watching this video. So right here there's I think it's the opposite way of the cover. There's a place where you can change the battery, and it's actually pretty easy to change it. It's just plug and play, and you can just put the battery tray like that and put the screws on, and you're ready to go. I just saw the batteries cost around 30 euros, so it's actually cheap. So let's try to open it and see how. Yeah, we just remove all the. It's not that way, but go. Interesting. Interesting. Let's also try to remove. We managed to remove all the screws from here, and I think we also need to remove. There's 2 screws here. We need to remove. Here we go. And here is a speaker. Inside the speaker, we're gonna remove the cables. And here we go. Here we have the front of the speaker. Yeah, this is the front of the speaker. So we have the woofer and the tweeter and the passive radiator. So we're gonna remove that in a bit. We're gonna see what's inside the speaker. So here we have the amplifier and with the power board and the tweeter, woofer and the Bluetooth connectivity somewhere. So let's try to remove all the parts. Let's remove the tweeter. So also all these parts are for sale. If you have a Beoplay A2 there's not working, or a woofer or a tweeter is in bad condition, you can order the tweeter from me. Here's the tweeter. It's also very nice to like me, if some of my customers needs a woofer for me. So also you can order these parts from Bang Olufsen themselves. So I'm supplying demand. Here we go. Here's the woofer. Put that aside, and I don't think we can remove the passive radiator. I think it's stuck. I think they have glued it somehow, but I think it's aluminium or iron. But we're gonna put that aside. And here's the strap, also for sale. This one of the strap is in bad condition. This one is in good condition. So let's try to remove the woofer. Also, all these products I deassembled is not sponsored or anything. I just bought it from to show people how the process is to deassemble all the products, all the process, what's inside the products, and I'm just doing for the audience and for my subscribers. So and here we go. I think they are they are full the same. Also, we need to remove. We're gonna remove the tweeter. I think I also need to buy some new screwdrivers. Oh, what the hell? So I think, yeah, here we go. Why did it stuck all the cables right here? So I'm gonna remove cables here. Here we go. I didn't have space enough to remove the screw from the tweeter. Here we go. Here's the tweeter. And the other side is completely the same, but the cables are not the same. The one is longer than the one, so I will in the listing in my website I will mention which cables, what kind of difference they are. So this one is 31 and this one is 15 of the end of the numbers. Yeah, and yeah, same length also for the woofer. So we're gonna, I think we're gonna remove the board for the Beoplay A2. There's one screw here. Is on the main board, so it's not separately. So I think we managed to remove all the screws. There we go. And I think we can remove this one. It's connected to the battery compartment. Some space. There we go. Here we go. This one. And the last one. Why did it make it like that? Let's see what's wrong. Don't need that. Probably I think this is the antenna for the Bluetooth connection. Yeah. Yeah, this also you can see Beoplay A2 main board. There's something here. Ah, it's for the touch buttons. Okay, I didn't expect that. So here is the aluminium frame, and I don't think we need to remove this one from here. I think I will. I think we're gonna sell it like that, because if I remove this one, no, I think it's glued. Yeah. And I don't want to damage it because I'm not 100% familiar with this product. How I think they have glued, but yeah, they have glued together. So this part is the connection, the buttons frame, aluminium frame, something like that. So also this is from the first version. It's not for the active one. So this one also be on my website for sale. So back to frame. So this one is, I think this is glued. Yeah. I hate this stuff. Here we go. we can angle it like that. They put this piece of, here we go, and I hope this, here we go. We managed to remove the main board with the battery connection. So here is the main board. This main board is also for sale. There's only one. I don't think there's one left from Bang Olufsen. So yeah, if you need one of those boards, it's also the amplifier board. If you need it, I have only one in stock. So yeah, and this is the back of the cabinet. So let's try to bring all the parts to the table. Here we have the main board and the tweeter. I'm gonna show the main board again. And the woofer. Put the other one. This must be a PCB board. This is a strap. Aluminum frame with the buttons. The cover with the radiator. The other one. Battery tray with the battery and the covers. This one will be not for sale because it's damaged here at the corner. They're gonna not be offering, but the other one is for sale. There's also a little bit damage here, but I think that'll be great. It's okay. So thank you for watching this deassembling of a Beoplay A2. All these parts will be for sale, and thank you for watching, and I hope you will give us a thumbs up and like this video, and click on the subscription button and the ring clock button. Then you all get all the updates when I get new video uploaded in our channel. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day and Happy New Year.